Want to combine multiple PDF files into one? Just select your documents and move them together. They merge smoothly through the digital portal. And there you have it, one complete file.
I have the three PDFs, PDF1, PDF2, PDF3. Let's combine into one PDF. Open Google, search combine PDF, enter. You can use this one or this one. I prefer this one. Just click it, select PDF files. That's my PDF file. Just select all the three PDFs. Open. Here, you can change the order. For example, I can make this one PDF1, this one PDF2, PDF3. It's up to you to change the order. Just merge PDF. Download PDF. Save. Show in folder. Double click on it. Okay. That's the merged PDF. Page 1. Page 2, page 3. If you get benefit from this video, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. That's all. Have a nice time.